Today, Meta just unveiled Segment Anything Model 3, SAM3, and it's one of the biggest jumps in image and video understanding we've seen in years. If you thought SAM1 and SAM2 were impressive, SAM3 takes the entire idea of segmentation and supercharges it with text prompts, exemplar prompts, tracking, detection, and even creative video editing. Let's break down what just happened. SAM3 isn't just a segmentation model anymore. It's a unified system that can detect, segment, and track literally any object in an image or video, using just a short text description, a sample image, or a simple visual hint like a point or a box. You can type the striped red umbrella, or show it an example, and SAM3 will find every instance across images and video. No fixed label set, no limitations. Meta is also releasing SAM3 model weights, datasets, benchmarks, and fine-tuning code, making this one of their biggest open-source drops to date. But the most exciting part is the launch of the Segment Anything Playground. This is a brand new platform where anyone, with zero technical skills, can try SAM3, upload images or videos, use templates, blur faces, add spotlight effects, track objects, and basically modify media like a pro editor. For creators, this is a huge deal. Most people will first see SAM3 inside Meta's apps. Instagram's Edits app is getting new effects that let creators apply dynamic transformations to specific people or objects, things that would normally take multiple masking layers and keyframes. On Meta AI's Vibes and Meta.ai, SAM3 will unlock new visual creation and remixing tools. On top of that, Meta also announced SAM3D, a suite of models for reconstructing 3D objects, humans, and scenes from a single image. This powers things like the new View in Room feature on Facebook Marketplace, where you can drop a lamp or table into your living room and see how it fits. Behind the scenes, SAM3 uses a massive AI plus human data engine. Meta built a hybrid pipeline where SAM3 and llama-based annotators generate candidate masks and captions, and human editors verify them. This system allowed them to scale to over 4 million unique visual concepts, way beyond anything manually possible. Technically, SAM3 is built on Meta's perception encoder, DTR-based detection, and SAM2's memory tracking, all merged into one model. It can run fast, around 30 milliseconds per image and near real-time for multiple tracked objects in video. And because SAM3 works with text queries, it can be plugged into multimodal LLMs. Meta even built a SAM3 agent that uses reasoning to answer complex visual instructions, like find the object used to guide a horse, and it iterates until the segmentation is perfect. Beyond consumer tools, SAM3 is already being used in science. Meta partnered with Conservation X Labs and OSA Conservation to release a Safari, a video dataset for wildlife monitoring. They also partnered with the FathomNet Oceanography team to create segmentation benchmarks for underwater species, a big step for environmental AI. And all of this is wrapped into the Segment Anything Playground, the simplest and most accessible way to experiment with cutting-edge segmentation across images, video, and even first-person footage from wearables like Meta's Aria glasses. SAM3 is a huge leap, not just for Meta, but for open-source AI. It makes segmentation universal, flexible, fast, and accessible to anyone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. More AI deep dives coming soon.